Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. Woo! And today is finally it's mother sucking woosh time. It's time to woosh. We're finally here, and before I keep going, check. Look, it's woosh time. Yes. This is happening today. So we about to take power out. We're gonna get some woosh clips, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so amazing, baby. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit them buttons, and let's do it. Let's go. Woosh time! Woosh! Woosh, 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 woosh time! Oh. All right. Woo! There it is. Woo! Or should I say whoosh, whoosh? I think for now on, I'll be T-Boosh or T-Boost or T-Boosh. One of them. I don't know. Y'all decide. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. But we're done. Like, the boost is done. This was a nice, long journey. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank everybody, every single one of y'all that tuned in and watched this whole series of Powers Boost journey. And hopefully this helped somebody out there with your project and give you some ideas, or if you got some ideas, send it my way. I just want to say thank y'all. It's time to really enjoy this mother sucker. Woo! And put it on the road. And this is going to conclude this episode and this series of Power Getting Boosted. I got a ton of content coming for you guys. It won't be every Thursday, but I will upload videos throughout the month, so you will see content. For those of you who don't know, I also DJ automotive events, and I do my own automotive events. So I'll be giving you guys some live content coverage of me doing those crazy things as well, and just having fun, man. And that's what this channel's about. It's about doing automotive stuff, being an enthusiast, going out, trying new things, meeting new people, having fun under the sun, burning gas, doing it fast, even though it's $7. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, this will be the last episode of this build for this part, and every Thursday. So moving forward, I'll definitely be loading content up throughout the month, so stay tuned. I got a lot of dope stuff coming. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, motherfucking comment, and all that. And I'll see y'all on the next one.